How to create a backup on WhatsApp Business. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a backup of your chats and WhatsApp Business. Creating a backup is really important in case you lose your phone or if you want to move your account to a different phone, which can be very useful as it will back up all of your chat and its history on your Google Drive. So let's see how you can easily back up messages on WhatsApp Business. First thing first, you're just going to have to open up your app, and from here you just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will see the settings item at the bottom, and once you open up your settings, you'll find different options here. Head over to the chat section, and at the bottom you'll see chat backup. Just tap on it. So the very first thing that you need to do is connect a Google account to your device or your account. And once your Google account is selected, all you have to do is tap on backup right here. And once the backup is complete, you can also customize a few other settings like this. Go ahead and tap on backup frequency. So you can completely disable the automatic backup, and you can only do it when you tap the backup button. You can do it daily, weekly, or even monthly. And once your frequency is set up, you can also turn this option on to backup while using cellular. So this allows you to back up your chats even when you're not connected to your Wi-Fi. And once you do that, you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.